was chopping up some potatoes for dinner. It's a lot of work, though. Hey, wait a second. Why am I doing this alone when I've got kids who could help? Hazel, you see these potatoes on the table? They all need to be peeled. So please get to work doing that chore if you want dinner tonight.
Ugh, why do I always get stuck with the new chores?
Yikes. So glad it's not me.
This isn't even a peeler. It's tweezers. It doesn't even work. Nope, that's it. I can't do this. Leo, you have to try. Here.
Ugh, really? Okay, fine. I'll give it a try. Nope. Not working. Here, Hazel. Take it back. Dad asked you to do it anyway.
How is he expecting me to do this? Nope. Back to you.
Again? But I already tried. It didn't work. See? I told you. I still can't peel the potato. Take it back, Hazel.
No, I don't want it. You do it!
Oh, no! The razor and potato are falling! Hazel, wait. Look at this. We can use the tub. I'll just close it up and then shake it really good. I know this will work. I've just gotta shake it as hard as I can. Phew. That was hard work. Okay, let me take a look. Yes! It totally worked! I can't believe it! Or, I mean, I knew it would work. Look, see? It's perfectly peeled, too.
I know! Let's do the rest of them that way. Maybe he'll raise our allowances.
Okay, that's a smart idea, Hazel. But we need to be smart, too. We need a bigger tub. Into this bucket they go. And now, of course, we need the lucky razor, too. Okay, everything is in place. I guess the next thing to do is get shaken.
I'm ready, Leo! Let's go! Ah!
Shake it as hard as you can, Hazel! Harder! Okay, stop! That has to be good enough. Oh, here comes Dad. What's this now? Did you peel the potatoes like I asked? Let me just take a look. Whoa! You really did peel the potatoes. That's a really great job, kids. I knew you could do it.
Yes! We totally impressed him!
Mondays, man. I can't even bear to open my eyes. I think this one's mine. Let's get this show on the road. Huh? Did the toothpaste explode or something? Or did Grace just get messy? Gross. Hey, wanna explain yourself? Not really. I'm so late. Looks like we're almost out of eggs. Better make these last two count, right? For this prank, squeeze out some toothpaste onto the egg. Now spread it all around the egg. It's best to use your toothbrush. Then put it right back into the carton. Don't forget the other one. This is gonna be so good. See you guys soon. I'm starved. My eggs. Are they supposed to look like this? Sometimes eggs are brown, but yellow? Something's up with these guys. Whoa! They're like gummy. Does this mean they've gone bad? Can I still eat them? I wonder if I could get them to pop. They kinda remind me of eyeballs. I see you! Hey. Hey, Jake! Pretty shocking, aren't they? Check it out! Let's see if this sucker can bounce. Did you see that? Awesome! They're my favorite
favorite snack. Every kind, too. This one, and this one, and this one.
What is she doing over there? Ugh. Eating too many chips. Hazel, honey, how about instead of eating chips, we eat some veggies?
No way. Gross.
Come on. Here comes the carrot. No? Well, maybe I've got something else that you might like to eat. What about some bread?
Ew, no! Oh, great. Now it fell into my chip bag. The only solution now is to make a chip sandwich. Bread, chips of course, and then bread. Voila!
What is she doing now? Oh, she'll eat food as long as there are chips with it. That gives me a great idea. Okay, I have the bag of chips, and I also have an egg. I'll just crack that egg right in there. Actually, I need more than one. And now for some veggies. In this case, I chopped up some bell peppers. Don't forget the ham and cheese, too. Okay, that should be enough. Now I just need to heat this pot of water until it starts to simmer. It's ready, which means it's time to add the bag of chips. Alright, I think that should be long enough. I'll just pour it out onto the plate now. Ta-da! It's like a frittata. Or an omelet. Hazel, go ahead and try it. I'm sure you'll like it.
I can smell the chips inside. Ooh, look. There's a little chip right here. So salty and good. Thanks, Dad. That was delicious.
What? Are you kidding me right now? Ugh.
I haven't eaten for hours. I didn't know we had these. Hello, sugary goodness. No? Any food in here? Is there any snackage in here? How about in here? Ugh. What? What's that? Looks like we've got a nasty prank on our hands. Start by putting the bar of soap in the microwave. That thing's melting like butter. That looks about done. Let the pranking commence. Check it out, Jake.
Wow! Where'd you get that?
Let's trade. Yes! Yes! Yes!
I haven't had cotton candy in forever. Whoa. My mouth's watering already. Wait. What? This tastes terrible! Get this off my tongue! Ugh! I hate you, Grace!
Love you too, bro! But I love these more.